Asiqale ngale kaMarshall Dlamini uzogwetshwa mhla ka-31 May unobhala we-EFF Marshall Dlamini inkantolo lase-Cape Town njengoba imthole enecala lokushaya iphoyisa lasephalamende. What do you take on that? Your thoughts?
Yeah. Yabona mfowethu kunento mina engiphatha kabi nge-EFF. Yabona?
Yes.
Ama leaders are very violent. Yabona? Even in rhetoric and sometimes even in action. La ngasekhaya nje ngenkathi kuyiwe eMabhida omunye umfowethu lana waqhasabula udriver webhasi ngempama umholi we-EFF. Now this is at a branch level. Now let's go to the Marshall Dlamini's case.
Yes.
Marshall Dlamini kwakuvele kufanele ukuthi agwetshwe. Into ayenzile laphana ukushaya iphoyisa is assault. Now ama members e-EFF are trying to distract the situation athi ugwetshwa ngoba ushaye umlungu. No, it's not because ushaya umlungu. eSouth Africa ungashaya umuntu uyaboshwa lo mbambe yokubophisa. It doesn't matter ukuthi umlungu India noma ikhaladi noma umuntu omnyama. Uma ushaye umuntu nje uyaboshwa. Icala elibovu. Now when you then have to look at the political landscape, this is going to be spun off by EFF as an attack on them towards our elections. Ukuthi uKhongolose is actually trying to curtail EFF from attaining a victory by Kalinde Badila and structure sub, whereas it's a mistake that was done by Marshall Dlamini. I think if Marshall had apologized to that guy at the time, after Leondo ngabe le ndaba yecase ayikho, but ngoba bafuna ukuba radical even when it does not require ukuba radical. Yabona?
But that was in 2019. And manje sibheke kuma elections ngoMay. It's almost 1 month away from ama elections.
Icala libolu ba.
Okay. You may continue.
Icala libolu ba.
Yeah, you may continue.
Yabona indaba ukuthi wamshaya ngo-2019 does not change ukuthi a case was opened and uMarshall was a respondent noma umsolwa kulelo case leyo. There is video evidence la emchasabula khona ngempama. What more do they want to be proven?
Hey, nothing.
No muntu azange azamthini ukumthinta uMarshall laphana. Actually, they were being escorted out of parliament.
Yeah.
And then ngenkathi laba bevuka umhlwenga la said guys come down kanje yabo. Angazi umlungu wathini kuMarshall wamdonsa ngempama. So it means ukuthi inkantolo iwe evidence epresentwe ummeli kaMarshall ne-evidence epresentwe ummeli wephoyisa kwacaca ukuthi ummeli wephoyisa i-evidence yakhe is more plausible. Yabona?
Yeah.
So this is not an attack on EFF. It's we are almost to uyigwaza ngowakho.
Actually waba reckless nje lapha.
Yeah, waba reckless, yeah.
Yes.
And then that one you can't blame iphoyisa. Ngeke ngithi ngishaywe idonso ngempama into ebonwa nayingane zami on social media circulator and the person owangishaya is not remorseful bese mina ngishaya ihlo ngihlala phansi ngithi mina hayi no ngoba uyi-politician. That is what democracy is for. Ukuthi uma ngabe you have been wrong this nemithetho you must follow the laws and then imithetho must do justice.
So this thing of Marshall Dlamini ukuba reckless ngathi ukuba reckless kwakhe is not a political scoring point or noma singayibeka kanjani, but Marshall Dlamini uyakudeserve ukugwetshwa, singabeka kanjani?
Uyakudeserve ukugwetshwa. Sorry ukugwetshwa, sorry. Uyakudeserve ukugwetshwa. Remember ukuthi the other thing that people don't understand is the psychology EFF.
Yes.
Now leader EFF ibizwa nge-commander in chief.
Yeah.
That's a military term. Malema has never served in any capacity as a soldier. It doesn't qualify to be called the commander-in-chief. Amalunga e-EFF abizwa ngama-fighters.
Yeah.
A fighter umuntu olwayo.
Yes.
There's no any other way. So remember that the psychology of the party, we must be vigilant, we must be aggressive, and kufanele sikwazi ukuthi masihlangana nenkinga sizilo lezo inkinga lezo. Yabona?
But omunye ngathi no, being a fighter doesn't mean you need to be physically fighting.
Yes.
But ungaba a fighter just to oppose an opinion of somebody.
Yes.
In that context.
You can look at it from that context, but like I'm saying, if Malema went to a rally, what does that tell you? Is that economic freedom fighting that? Is that peaceful fighting?
No.
Yabona ukuthi ngisho ukuthi i-precedence ikhamba from umphathi wakhona. Yabona ukuthi umphathi umholi weqembu kwayena ulimi lwakhe alinaso isisoka. Yabona. So let's analyze the case ka Marshall. So uMarshall ushaye uconstable, right?
Yes.
Memshaya lo constable kwahlephuka izibuko walimala nasebusweni. Right?
Yeah.
Now it doesn't matter what context you put there. A person has been injured. A person has suffered. With intent, assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm. What if one keep his? Now, in defense, Marshall, no, EFF had received a tip-off that there would be an attempt to assassinate their leader. Now, do you stop a bullet with a slap?
No, you can't. That will never happen.
So then it does not make sense to say he was acting in self-defense because their leader was threatening the tip of there'll be an attempt to assassinate Umalem. Uyabona. So iqala uluze kanjalo ngoba i-defense yakhe weak. That's why I said he needed to be remorseful to the guy and say, guy, I'm sorry, it was a spur of the moment, I was angry. Nami angithanda ukukhishwa ngendlela esikhishwe ngayo, but ke ngiyaxolisa mfowethu. They could have even settled out of court bamkhokhele lo mali leyo, life goes on. But the fact that they wanted to go to court, and when they go to court they thought they were going to win, and then now they lose, and then all of a sudden it's an attack. It's not an attack on EFF. How many years did Icala Senzomela taking now?
I think it's more than 5 years now.
It's more than 5 years. So to then say hi, umlungu washa ngo 2019, but 1 month before elections, we have a conviction. That's how law works. And if you want justice, the arm of the law is slow, but it's quick to act.
Yes.
So a process yokuthola ama-facts is slow. Get the evidence slow. But masses told my facts, the evidence, then it's quicker to take a decision based on that evidence. So Indaba Marshall is neither here nor there. Actually, Julius, I would be talking about replacing Marshall.
So while sakhuluma nge-EFF, si lokho okwenzeka kuMarshall Dlamini singakubona yini ukuphinda kwenzeka kwelinye ilunga le-EFF leli like laphazamisa i-interview kaNgizwe Mchunu la eThekwini lensizwe kuthiwa uMazwi Bloss lapho kwaze kwalahleka khona ucingo lamacingwane ngoba nakhona kukhona ufakazi uvelayo ukuthi
naye futhi loyo
yes
naye futhi loyo nje umthetho uzodila naye yabo uzodila naye umthetho because this is what I'm saying ukuthi you can't have a leader who is vigilant, militant and spewing violence yabona and then that person expects my followers are not going to act on that. Yabona.
So
naye uBloss nje mina ngilindile ukuthi icase iqhubeke and then he needs to be found guilty.
Kuyazwakala nxamalala mfowethu.
Angibazondi, I don't know them personally by the way, but I'm just stating ukuthi uma ngikufica wena wenza press conference ufike ngikushaye. Yabona ngifike ngiphazamisa izinto laphana ngiwisa izinto ngicause disturbance. So what am I expecting to happen?
Because
no, let's just say let's say for argument's sake, okay, fine. Bafike ungizwe benze lento abayenzayo ungizwe unelokhuzana une-following bese aba-followers kangizwe ayahamba aye emabhida ayoshaya abalandeli be-EFF, then what was going to happen?
Uzoboshwa phela.
Uyabona? So if kuwukuthi bona they came then they disturbed ungizwe, then they deserve what's coming to them as well.
Hayi kona kunzima. Thank you for your time babu Uzuma. Until next time mfowethu.
Yeah mfowethu.
Sophinda futhi
sibheke.
All right mfowethu.
Okay, sure. Ube nosune weekend. Sesibonana ke ekupheleni kwenye. First Sunday of May.
Okay, no problem bhuti wami.
Okay, sure. Ube nesuku oluhle. Bye.
Thank you.